As we look at the clock, it is 6:33 this morning, and we're taking you out live to New York City. Not a great looking view of the skyline there today as they're dealing with some weather, but they're also dealing with an opening bell on Wall Street set to ring in a couple of hours. Dow futures down more than 1,000 points overnight. This is after last week's massive sell-off in response to the latest round of tariffs.
Now, markets around the world have been plunging overnight. Natalie Haddad is watching Wall Street and your money. And Natalie, this is all happening with more tariffs taking effect on Wednesday.
Yeah, that's right. And safe to say when opening bell rings at 8:30 our time this morning, Wall Street will be buzzing, seeing what the latest numbers are. Now, some investors have said that they are warning of a possible, quote, Black Monday today, otherwise known as a severe global market crash. Now, here's where things currently stand, though. Now, we just checked a few moments ago, and numbers are better, but they are still down. Dow Jones down 1.76%. NASDAQ, they lost about 2% at this hour. S&P 500 shed about 2%. Those numbers were much higher for the worse just an hour ago. So this is good news. And overseas, European and Asian stock markets, they also took a nosedive. In Europe, Britain's FTSE 100 plunged to a one-year low, down 4.5%. That number was also much worse in the last hour. Germany, France, they are seeing numbers down more than 5%. In Asia, Hong Kong had its worst trading day since 1997 with down just 13.5%. In Shanghai, seeing down 7.3%. Taiwan, their TAIEX down 9.7%. Now, this stock market free fall comes in response to President Donald Trump's tariffs. His administration argues the reciprocal tariffs will create American manufacturing. They will boost revenue and ease the U.S.'s financial deficit with other countries. President Trump has said, however, there is no timeline for this. Could take several years. Now, meanwhile, analysts say that Americans could see higher prices on some goods in, quote, a week to 10 days if this keeps up. Now, again, the numbers are much better this hour than they were in the last hour. We are going to keep up with that for you right here on Daybreak. Kara?